Namaste to all the dear parents and students. I hope that you all are healthy and safe at your home. As the number of the infected persons or peoples are increasing day by this COVID-19, a notorious virus. And due to this, the lockdown has been extended again and again. And a little bit type of a negativity has been created in our mind, in our body also, surrounding us also. So as all the doctors and through media, each and every persons are just telling us about that we have to enhance the immunity in our body. But I'm also suggesting you one thing, that with this immunity, you also have to increase a positivity energy in yourself, a positive vibe surrounding you. Okay, and please believe me that it works. Now, the matter come across to us is that how we can increase the positivity, a positive energy inside us, and for that we have to little bit change in our daily routine. Okay, means when you are wake up in the morning, try to wake up early in the morning and do some yoga exercises, and this yoga exercises will enhance the immunity also and the positive energy also in your body, which builds a lots of positivity in your body. Okay, and with this also, afterwards you can just do worship, puja and all, spend the times with your family, with your parents. Okay, and also being a student, you have to spend your time in your studies also. Okay, and for that we Vinayak family are there to help you out. You all know that we already started the online classes, and most of the students, mostly all the students are attached with that, and even the parents are also supporting us. We are very much thankful to our parents for their great support. Okay, and I'm just be thinking that if any of the queries, of any of the doubts of a student are also clearing in the through this School Log app, the Vinayak School online classes app. Okay, and even we have started the online test also for the student, so they can easily judge that how their studies are going on. Okay, on which platform they are just be leading. Even for the toppers also, as they are on their same platform, or they are just be a little bit lagging behind. Okay, and for the average student also, that they can easily enhance their knowledge by watching the videos again and again. Just be remove their all the queries. Okay, by just watching the videos. Now, by this app, I'm just be showing you how the students are easily get their studies at their home only. Okay, so let's start with this. As I log in, you have just see the content. All the contents are here. Okay, my exam, my learning, your scoreboard. Okay, the exam which you have given, the bookmark list, my lecture, my assignment, practice, doubt, discussion, or digital diary. Okay, now on the daily basis you get your lectures here. All the lectures are here. Okay, so how you are just be, you have to click at a particular subject, and this you have just be get through the, these are the notes, and this is your today's lecture. So this is your lecture. Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter that you can easily find. Okay, and today clear? Of a different subject, you can easily get through the lectures. Okay, now here one more lecture I am showing you. Get through your lectures. Okay, of all the subjects, and even in a good quality. Clear? Okay. Now when we are discussing about a backdate lecture, suppose you have just skip any of the lecture in your previous date, then you easily get through the lectures. Okay, of 25th of April, here the calendar is there, you can find any of the lecture of 24th. Okay, so you have just start from here, and here all the lectures are there, you can easily find all the lectures. Okay, and even your assignments also, you can get through the assignments on the daily basis. On daily basis assignment you have got. Okay, then afterwards you have to even submit your assignment also. Okay, as you have go through, suppose your any of the assignment. Okay, so here you can see the assignment, you can solve in the notebook, then you can submit the assignment here. Okay, what you have to do, you have to add a file. As you are adding, which of the file you have to be choose from your gallery, you may easily pick that picture. Okay, any of the picture you can pick, and you have to be put the remark here and submit your assignment. Simple as that. Or if you want to sudden you have to get the image, you have to be use the capture using the camera. Okay, and as you can submit your all the assignments on a daily basis. Clear? If any of the doubt you are having, you have to be write the doubt, you have to be add the doubt, write the title, description, any of the picture, any of the topic is there, you can click the picture and submit your doubt. Okay, teacher will help you out by solving your doubt. Even your exam portal is there. Okay, now right now there will be no any test, one of the tests we have conducted already. Okay, so test you have been get through this, your scoreboard also. Okay, the test which you have given, you can even identify up to where you are just be standing, getting your marks. All the things are there. This is all about your personal, that what was your name, class, father's name. This is the notification, the lectures which we are coming. Okay, in advance you can get the notifications. All the things are there, so you can easily solve or easily calculate, easily get through the lecture, you can easily do your homework, means all the things will become very much easy for you, that get your studies at your home only. Okay, if we are just be there at home, then we are just very much worry about our studies, but now no need to worry. Okay, we have already started this learning app, and even we have just completed for this we have just be get through for 1 month that we have started. So any of the student are not be connected yet, no issue, get through all the lectures. You can even right now connected with us and get through all the backdate lectures also. Okay, I hope you are easily understand how you can get your lectures, how you can attend your studies at your home only. So please students, don't worry about your studies. We Vinayak family are there to help you out in each and every queries, in each and every doubts, always with our helping hands. Thank you.